I'm super excited to introduce DXPR's AI Page Builder. Today marks the launch of our open beta version, now available to everyone. We've extended our AI features to the free tier, allowing any user to enjoy them on websites with up to 100 drag-and-drop pages. This video is the first in a series, focusing on editing existing content. We're using the DXPR.com clients page as our example. Unlike many other page builders, our tool can leverage AI to edit and refresh existing content efficiently, which is where users spend the majority of their time. Let's dive in by adding a new client to the university section. We have a significant new contract with a university, and it's time to update this section to reflect that. I'll open the section dropdown and select Edit with AI. I'll update this section to include Erasmus University, highlighting their use of over 100 DXPR Builder editor users managing multiple websites. That seems to fit nicely. Now, let's see the result. I could have chosen to edit just the text element for more precision, but I'm hoping for a comprehensive edit covering both the website address and text. It seems like the AI chose not to include website address in the edit. It's important to remember that AI isn't perfect, a lesson we've embraced. This is why we've put significant focus on our product's undo redo features. Every AI action is auditable, making it easy to revert and inspect changes. We'll likely cover that in a future video. The current result looks great, but a bit lengthy, which leads us to another feature within the text editor. We've developed a text editor plugin that uses the same AI backend as the page builder. It allows precise text selection for transformation. I'm going to shorten this text a little. Now it looks perfect. We'll disregard the website details for now. Our new client is actually a different university, but we're waiting for permission to publish their name. So, I've used the university I graduated from as a placeholder. Next, I'll demonstrate a unique capability of DXPR Builder, using a single AI prompt to rewrite a structured page with diverse sections. As I read through the content, I've noticed inconsistencies in tone and flow, owing to additions over the years. I'll address tone of voice in a future video, but for now, I'll focus on refining the page. I'll use the prompt, rewrite this page for more consistent flow and tone of voice, keep structure identical, and apply copywriting best practices. This should serve as a good demonstration. Let's generate the new content, which will take a moment as the AI rewrites the entire page. The new header already appeals to me more. The content aligns closely with our tone of voice template. The phrase streamlining content with ease resonates well. The key details like 100 editors and 1,000 web pages remain unchanged. The writing quality is excellent. At DXPR, we've invested heavily in ensuring high writing standards, a common area of disappointment with other AI writing tools. We've focused obsessively on capability, layout, and many other factors, but I'll save further details for future videos. I appreciate how the link text has been changed from visit to explore more, reflecting the copywriting best practices I requested. With many changes made, I want to review everything to ensure accuracy. I'll go to local tasks and revisions and click Compare to examine the modifications, ensuring no factual errors were introduced. It seems correct. 100+ editors, over 100, yes, that matches. The link text changes were applied consistently. The detail change from 1,000+ to over 1,000 is accurate. Everything appears in order. I'm very pleased with the edits, which I couldn't have accomplished so quickly without AI. Our writing quality secret lies in our tone of voice management, which I'll explore in the next video.